everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, one is taking a closer look at an often overlooked, but absolutely crucial component for many professional setups. The Marg AC power cord, designed specifically for ELMO visual presenters like the HV-500XG, EV-6000, and HV-5100XG. For anyone relying on these digital document cameras for presentations, lectures, or demonstrations, a dependable power source isn't just a convenience, it's a necessity, and this Marg power cord aims to be just that. Upon first inspection, the cord presents itself in a standard, professional black color, blending seamlessly into any setup. Its primary function, of course, is to provide a stable and consistent power supply to compatible devices. The specifications are clear. It's rated for a maximum voltage and current of 120 volts and 15 amps, ensuring it can handle power demands below 1800 watts. This makes it perfectly suited for the ELMO visual presenters it's designed for, preventing any power-related issues that could disrupt an important presentation or recording session. One of the key aspects that users will appreciate is its compatibility. This isn't a generic power cord. It's specifically tailored for the ELMO HV-500XG, EV-6000, and HV-5100XG visual presenter digital document cameras. This precise fit means there's no guesswork involved, and one can be confident in its performance with these high-value devices. The brand, Marg, has focused on delivering a product that integrates flawlessly with these specific models, which is a significant advantage over universal alternatives that might not offer the same level of reliability or safety. A notable special feature mentioned is its charging function. While a power cord itself doesn't charge, this indicates that it is engineered to fully support and facilitate the charging capabilities of the connected ELMO device, ensuring that if the visual presenter has an internal battery, it receives the necessary power to recharge efficiently and safely. This means the device is always ready for use, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Safety and quality are paramount, especially when dealing with electronic equipment. This Marg power cord proudly meets CE specifications, which is a testament to its adherence to European safety, health, and environmental protection standards. For users, this certification offers peace of mind, knowing that the product has undergone rigorous testing and meets recognized international benchmarks for quality and safety. The input voltage of 120 volts further confirms its suitability for standard North American electrical outlets. In essence, this Marg AC power cord is more than just a cable. It's an essential accessory that ensures the uninterrupted and safe operation of valuable ELMO visual presenters. Its specific compatibility, robust power handling, and CE certification make it a reliable choice for professionals who cannot afford any power-related interruptions during their critical presentations or document capturing tasks. It's a small component that plays a big role in the overall efficiency and longevity of one's digital document camera setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.